think I've hurt my ITB. That wasn't fun, to be honest. I put my cleats inwards a little bit instead of outwards. The bike fitter put them outwards, and I was like, oh, I feel more powerful inward. So I've hurt myself like a dingus. Now I've just readjusted them, and I'll give some time to my ATV to heal. I hope it will be healed by the time I'm going on my bike trip next month. Nonetheless, the ride was honestly really fun. I love riding. And doesn't matter if my knee hurts or not. I enjoy being outside and moving my body. Adjusting my cleats. It is going to help a lot. So that's what I did as soon as I got off the bike. And next time I should bring my tool to readjust it, because it would have been really clutch to have it when I was in pain 2/3 of the way through the ride. This is the end of an era. We spend most of our life wanting to leave the office. And now that I've lived the work from home entrepreneur kind of vibe, I now want to go back in an office. It's not because I love being in an office. It's because we're going to be a bunch of people together that are going to work towards the same goal. And it's going to be very stimulating to have people around me doing the same thing as we are doing, going in the same direction, instead of working in a basement, which was fine for the time it lasted. But now, oh boy, t'as fatigué un peu? Oh, je suis fatigué. Hello. Ça va? Très bien, bonne fête encore. Ah oui, c'est quand? C'était hier? Oui, c'était... Oups.
T'as dit Julien-Pier?
Ben flush. Welcome, awesome people, folk, YouTube person of the interweb 2.0 and little critters of the universe. And look, fishes. The plan of today is first we're going to go on a meeting for an editor, because we're looking for people who can edit stuff. And he reached out to Johan because Johan has been very active on LinkedIn. Then we're going to go to our new office. So quiet, so peaceful. Get set up, clean this place because there's a lot of dust everywhere. Today is going to be the final day of cleaning the office, of setting up the office. Let's go. Cute. And stupidly enough, today I am injured, knee injury. Moral of the story, do as your bike fitter says. Ciao. I'll give it back. Isn't Sherbrooke just gorgeous?
What? Okay. For you, not.
On a virtual theater project and just answering emails while Johan is going to buy dog food for his dog, and then we're going to the studio. Multitasking. So we haven't even been here for a couple hours, and there's already a client that wants us to send them example of what we did in the studio because they want to do some talking heads or something like that in the studio. So we're working on that.
Yeah!
Il y a l'autre qu'on a rencontré.
Tu l'as encore?
Ouais, j'ai sa carte. Hello! You Chuck? Chuck? Today's a weird day, to be quite honest. Yesterday when we moved our office, Johan and I didn't notice that Chuck was out of the house. So we left him outside apparently. And when I came back, we arrived. We were like, that's so weird that there is no barking because Chuck usually greets us by barking like crazy. It was way too silent. And we're like, that's weird. So we get in and we're like, oh, probably, maybe Chuck is sleeping. I don't know. And then we get inside the house and there's no Chuck. Chuck is not there to greet us. And it's kind of weird because he always greets us. So I'm like, okay, he's probably sleeping. That happens. It happened a couple of times. And then I go down and like, he's not sleeping. What's happening? And I kind of started freaking out because I was like, is he dead somewhere? And then I searched the whole freaking house. He wasn't there. We crossed Canada and the US. We went in the desert. We hiked some of the like gnarliest mountains together. We did a road trip. He was with us all the time, sleeping every day in our car with us. He moved everywhere. Like he literally with us almost all of the time. He's such a good dog. And now I was just freaking out. And so I started running everywhere, yelling his name and just freaking out. Posted something on Facebook, all the Facebook like lost animal Facebook group, spotted Sherbrooke, whatever, you name it, I posted it. And then the SPCA is like, oh, he's with us, which is weird because their office hours are like they were closed. So probably someone just that was working there saw my post and was like, okay, I'm just gonna like give this guy the chance to sleep tonight, which is cool, thank you. But now I have to go fetch him in the SPCA and they're only open at 10. So this morning I'm gonna go to a meeting with the marketing agency, and after that I'm gonna go fetch Chuck. That being said, I'm almost at Johan's place. When there's no traffic, it's so fast. And let's get the day started.
On y va avec mon chat?
Ouais.
On revient ici après?
Installez-vous une chaise au bureau là, je me brosse les dents.
Ok.
Yeah.
So we came back from the meeting with the marketing guy. I wasn't impressed. Like everything he said, Stephanie said, and we already have other people in our team that does exactly what he does when he offers us to be doing. It's just the vibe wasn't there, like the connection wasn't there, and we really want to like work with people that we feel friends with. So that being said, now I'm going to go pick up Chuck at the SPA. They called my wife. Apparently it's really Chuck. He's supposed to be in good shape. I'm really stressed, to be honest, because this dog is my baby. I love him like somebody's gonna love a kid. Retour à la maison. La maison. Allez, allez. I'm bringing bringing Chuck to the office. He's gonna be Chuck's first time in the office. What a day for him. Poor little boy. I feel so bad. It's my fault. Look at that baby boy exploring and being all happy and shit. I love him so much. There is no more precious being in this universe.
I left and almost forgot my vlogging camera. Why? That would have been a miserable thing.
Like I said, I suck at vlogging. We went and bought some lamps and stuff at the office. I didn't even vlog it. Is life even worth living when you're not filming and like sharing every single ounce of it? I don't know. You tell me. I don't think so. Anyway, I'm going home and just gonna go to Costco and shit. It's the end of the day. Avec toi, oui, avec toi. Tout à la maison. Allez, bébé. Ouais, tu fais pipi dans ton gazon. Ouais. Ah, check. Oh, bébé. Oh, ouais. Oh, bébé. Allez, bébé. Allez. Allô?